Let's make pancakes. Oh my gosh, so good. Pancakes are one of the things I'm not very good at making, but I think they still look great.